Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you spending a lot of time on Twitter and want to deactivate for a while but don't know how? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Twitter account. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Support. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Settings page, tap on Your Account. There you will see Deactivate Your Account. Tap on it. On Deactivate Your Account page, scroll down until you see Deactivate and tap on Deactivate. It will ask you to confirm with your password. Enter the password and tap on Deactivate. Again a pop-up will appear. Tap on Yes, Deactivate. So that is how you deactivate your Twitter account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.